Hi, my name is Melissa with the CEOffice. I am a leadership and operations coach who helps founders of service-based small businesses cultivate their team's potential through leadership coaching and elevated operating systems. In addition, I also create templates using Notion to help founders excel in their professional and personal lives. So today I am sharing with you a preview of my latest template. It's a healthcare dashboard, and it enables you to track how you're accumulating towards your year-to-date deductible and your coinsurance for your health policy, along with other things. So you'll see quickly here on the left column, you have buttons that allow you to quickly add an appointment to the calendar down here, or if you have a claim that's come in, you can add the claim here. You can also add a provider to the provider database or add a prescription to the prescription database. These 5 pages here are all databases that allow you to track your claims, family members that are on policies, prescriptions, and providers. Here in the dashboard, you'll see how much has been accumulated towards your year-to-date deductible or your coinsurance, and it will differentiate between what's paid and what's pending insurance, and you can view it by family member. Obviously, you will need to edit this if you have put names and add in individuals or remove as needed. And then if you scroll down here, there's an easy column here to manage your prescriptions. So you can see the cadence of when you need to take them and click the button if a refill is needed. And then you'll have this shopping list for what needs to be refilled and when it needs to be refilled by. And then when you fill it, you just click on the button and it will move back here. And then your appointments will show here in regards to what type of service you had, what the process is of the claim, where the service occurred, and who the service was for. There are additional details once you get inside and open these up, but I will allow you to discover that should you decide to purchase the template. So I hope you enjoyed this quick preview, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.